We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M712. The problem we've been having is we've been getting a low toner warning. And sometimes it's always come at the worst possible moments right before a big print job or anything like that. So we want to show you a few tips of how you can kind of keep an eye on your supplies, and that way you don't run out at the worst possible moment. So it's really simple. The first thing you want to do is on your menu here, you're going to hit the home button. Once the little main menu opens up, you're going to use the down arrow key and scroll down until you find the supplies tab. Once you find supplies, you're going to go ahead and click OK. And then on this you'll find three different options. The first one is manage supplies. The second one tells you that your black cartridge is still okay. And the third one shows you that your maintenance kit's still okay. So that kind of just gives you a rough idea saying that right now you're good, there's no problems that it sees. But going back to that first option, manage supplies, there's a further menu behind that, so let's go ahead and select that. And this gives us the options to print a supply status. So let's go ahead and print that out, because when you print your supply status, it's going to give you a lot more information as far as what's actually been used on that cartridge, how much is left, and that way you can kind of plan if you need to have a backup toner available, which if you need one, feel free to give Onyx a call. We can help provide any kind of backup toner or any replacement toner you might need, and that way you can stay up and running for your business. So this is the supply status page. Again, it's going to show you your black toner. It's going to show you a little status bar that's kind of giving you a rough idea of about how much toner is left inside your machine. In this particular one, we're about 20%. It'll also show you approximately how many pages have been printed and how many pages are remaining on that cartridge. So again, if you have a big print job coming up, or at the end of the month you have accounting or something that needs to be done, you can kind of make sure you have enough toner that's going to be able to complete that job where you're not going to run out in the middle of it. And then the next section below goes back to your maintenance kit, which is part of your routine maintenance that needs to be done on the printer. It gives you a rough idea of the actual status bar. And right now it says that for this machine it's at 100%, so there's nothing to worry about. But yeah, there's a lot of useful information. This will definitely help you out from keeping you from running out in the worst possible times. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us here at Onyx. Other than that, have a good day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.